Hi friends, welcome to Srivis. Please subscribe the button and press the bell icon.
Hi, I am D Jodi and D Champions contestant Tanvi. Today I am here to interview with Shri Views. I have got this beautiful opportunity, so I don't want to miss it at all. So let's start. My first question is how you get the chance, share your experience. Actually, I got this chance because of Mukul Bhaiya. He supported me a lot in my bad times and in my D times. I hope he will support me in my future also. In fact, still he is supporting me a lot. Along with him, our directors Nitin Anna and Bharat Anna and my brother from another mother Maninder Anna, he supported me a lot in my D times. They were always there to support me. They played a very well role in my D times. Not only them, actually they had selection role, but the main role played was by Cherry Master. He showed me very well, and I think my D credit goes to Cherry sir itself. He was always there to support me, guide me, and still he is teaching me a lot. If every new video comes, he will first send to me, and he wants me to be at higher position. So I am really thankful to all of them. So thanks a lot who supported me a lot, and thank you. My second question is share your journey with Nani Giri Master. Oh my god, journey with them was very interesting. I learned a lot from them. Actually they taught me new styles. Because of them only a new Tanvi was been introduced in D Champions. They cared for me a lot. Actually they cared for me a lot. They treated me like their little sister only. So I'm very thankful to them too. My third question is which you enjoyed the most, D Jodi or D Champions? Actually I enjoyed both a lot, but I didn't had much memories with D Champions as I was eliminated so fastly. But in D Jodi times, actually I had very memories in D Jodi. That memories are in my heart too. They are still in my heart, and as it was my first reality, so I enjoyed a lot in D Jodi. I had fun, means that I can't explain in words. I had a lot of fun in D Jodi. Everyone was there to support me, and that's it. My fourth question is about Sudhir Garu. Few lines about Sudhir Garu. I cannot describe Sudhir Anna in one word, not in few lines as well. Actually, I need a book to describe his greatness, his character. But in short and in word, if I need to describe him, then I must say he is a perfect man in all aspects. My fifth question is about Rashmi ma'am. Rashmi ma'am. She is very beautiful. She is very caring. Actually, she is beauty with brain. She is very emotional, and she looks after us so well that everyone is a fan of her. She is just fabulous. My sixth question is there any chance to wildcard entry? No, actually they have fixed the wildcard entries and contestants too. So no chance for wildcard entry. That's it. Few lines about judges. Same with judges. Actually I can't explain them in one word, one line or anything. Three of them are just fabulous. They were always there to support me, to guide me, to teach me, to encourage me, and to love. They loved me a lot. Three of them have a very big position in Telugu film industry. They are very much, means I can't explain their name and fame in Telugu film industry, but still they are very down to earth, very encouraging, and means they encourage us a lot to get strength in us they are just fabulous. I can't explain in words about them. They always stand so strong behind me, and they always supported me a lot. Every three of them, every one used to support me, used to encourage me, and that's it. My 8th question is one word about Pradeep Garu, Hyperadi, Varshini. Okay. 3 of them are just fabulous. Pradeep Anna's comedy timing is fantabulous. He is just mind blowing in it. And Varshini ma'am and Adi sir, actually they are very down to earth and very kind hearted persons. But as my D champions journey was so less that I can't interact with them so well. So I know just they are very good and very kind hearted and very down to earth persons. But Pradeep Anna, he supported me a lot and he cared me a lot like my big brother. My 9th question is your dream. My dream is to be a successful person. I want to study and dance as well, but I never want to leave my character. Everyone should look me like a respectful and should have a deep gratitude towards me. That's it. Means I should be recognized by my character. That's it I want to say. My 10th question is share your family support to dance profession. Whatever I am now is just because of my family. They supported me a lot, and each of them is working very hard to get me up in their personal own ways. They encourages me, they chit chat with me, they share. Actually they are ready to, what should I say, they are actually ready to take my every decision in a positive way. Every time they are my backbone. So whatever I am today is just because of my family. So I want to thank them a lot. So thank you. Share your D Champions journey. Journey in my D Champions was very short. I didn't had much memories in D Champions, but still I miss D Champions a lot. Who will win D Champions trophy? The one who will work hard will definitely win the trophy. Actually, in my personal way, I think D Champions is equals to hard work plus luck. So whoever is working hard and whoever has a luck will definitely win D Champions. So all the best to all contestants. Your favorite master. Firstly, Cherry Master. He supported me and guided me a lot. So every time first master will be Cherry Master, and Nanigiri Masters too. Your favorite contestant. That's what I'm saying. Everyone is my favorite in D Champions. Everyone is working very hard. As it is D Champions, everyone is a champion in D itself. So better luck. Lastly, I want to thank Shri Views and my fans. Actually, because of my fans only, I get inspired a lot. If I am in any bad situation or if I am frustrated, I just watch their messages, their videos which they have created for me, their edits and everything I watch. Actually, my frustration totally gets over. So I want to thank you all. Keep supporting me, keep loving me, and keep showering your blessings on me. Thank you Shri Views too, as you have given me so beautiful opportunity to interact with my fans. So thanks a lot and keep supporting me too.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the button and press the bell icon.